What's up, class? Let us continue our lesson on control structures in C. This time about switch statement in C. Switch statement is an alternative for the nested if statement. It is limited for testing conditions of resulting value of a single statement. Cases constant values can only be a char or int data type. Let us look at how a switch statement works. The program will enter the construct with the switch keyword, where the expression inside the parentheses is evaluated. Inside curly braces are case keywords followed by a constant which will be compared with the previously evaluated expression. If the expression is equal to constant 1, code block 1 will be executed. Then all succeeding code blocks after code block 1, including the default code block, will also be executed until the program exits the switch statement to go on to the rest of the source code. If the expression is not equal to constant 1, the program will go on and compare the expression with constant 2. If the expression is equal to constant 2, code block 2 will be executed. Then all succeeding code blocks after code block 2, including the default code block, will also be executed until the program exits the switch statement to go on to the rest of the source code. If the expression is not equal to constant 2, it will proceed to testing succeeding cases until a case constant is equal to the expression. When after all cases, no case constant is equal to the statement, the program may execute the block of code after the default keyword if present. Else, the program will exit the construct, then proceed to the line of code immediately after the switch statement. To avoid running succeeding code blocks below the code block related with the verified case, or what is called fallthrough, we may add the break keyword as the last line of a code block except in the default block, so that the program will proceed to the line of code directly after the default block. Let's watch. Remember that case keyword and its respective code block may be repeated as needed, and that no two case constants should be equal, and that there may be at most one default label. Let us now try the following example. Pause the video, copy the code from this video or copy it from the description box below, paste it in dev C++, then compare your result with mine. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your comments, questions, or suggestions down below. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any upload. Have a nice day and see you soon.